The boys are back in town. Well, guess who just got paid today? Those wild-eyed boys that have been waiting.
Parang nagpe-first communion tayo eh. Tapos yung pauli na nag-input.
Ano yun eh? September 11?
Yeah, bakit?
Battle of the Band, Cecil Park. Lumaban niya yung paring nil. Ayan, malasing na eh. It's, anong oras na ba?
Drain na ako. 7:30?
10 to 8. Hindi na, malasing na yun eh. Pangatlong banda sila. Naka-night shot na, naka-night shot.
Ano yan eh? May warm up kami tsaka tusok.
With arms wide open under the sunlight. Welcome to this place. I'll show you everything. With arms wide open.
Classmate ko siya.
Classmate mo siya?
Di ba?
Pakilala mo yung band members ng second.
Yan, sila yung Heaven Gates. So
Heaven
vocals,
Gates, yes.
Si Joshua Cruz. Bassist si, what's this? Charlie?
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 Charlie!
Ayun, si
ba?
Charlie. Tama.
Si Charlie nga.
Tapos sa rhythm and guitar, it's Jason Santos.
And drummer si Christian.
Okay.
And again, kung gusto niyo...
Inspiring song.
Very inspiring. Hallelujah!
Okay, I'd like to say hi to the fashionistas there.
Fashionistas over there. Yung mga pumapalakpak na yun.
Yes, salamat. Ayun na sila.
Announcement.
Okay, may announcement po dito. Nawawala. Kung pwede lang po pakibalik yung nakuha cellphone ko.
Ano?
Pwede pong balik yung
Nakakuha sa cellphone ko.
8210 na blue ang housing. Doon lang ako sa entrance ng supermarket.
Please. Okay, ang ating po mga, kamukha po kanina katatapos lang ng ating chess tournament, okay? So yan, month-long anniversary po ito ng SL.
Yeah, on September 18, Saturday, 6 p.m., we have Hataw Na Dance Contest.
Yes. And on September 19, Sunday at 6 p.m., Rap-Rapan Rapping Contest.
And on September 25 to 26, Saturday till Sunday, intercollegiate beach volleyball competition.
On September 26, Sunday, the 3-kilometer and 10-kilometer fun run. Yes.
And also, again, thank you sa aming mga sponsors.
Yes.
Sana sila.
Dito. First of all, Jam Zone for the warm reception during the audition.
San Miguel Beer, Itaas Mo for the Beer Plaza, where you wind up the evening with ice-cold SMB products and for providing us this grand stage we have tonight. May booth sila over there.
Itong stage na to, salamat sa San Miguel. Yes. And also, tender, juicy hot dogs. Kids can tell. You know, and Cosmos Bottling for their booths. You can drop by to taste their mouth-watering hot dogs and refreshing beverages.
Then Dwight, the #1 rum,
Alamat Award products for the trophies.
and other SL Trade partners.
Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
O nga pala, may beer drinking competition and yung isa? Ano yung isa?
Mga trivia questions. So,
Yeah,
sasagutin nyo,
trivia
meron
questions.
kayong freebies. Yan. Okay?
Freebies.
So, mandahan-dahan kayo sa akin. Yan. Diyan. Yan. Palakpakan kayo dyan! Ang fiesta! Okay, maganda na po ang ating fourth band. SpongeBob LR. Learns to Rock. Maganda na yung SpongeBob, Trevor.
Mga bata-bata lang yung mga ito, high school yata. Again, hi sa mga fashionista. Hello to Trisha, Archie, Jorga, Jenny, Rain, Tony. Am I forgetting someone?
Iya, Jeanette.
Check. Hey.
Sensei.
Lang.
Hey. Hello.
At sandali lang po. Ika-cut po daw muna natin sandali. Kasi ililipat sa main power. Hindi ko alam, basta main chuva. Mamamatay ang ilaw, huwag kayo masya-shock, ha? Hindi nyo ako makikita. Pero babalik din ako nun, okay? Ha? Ika-cut lang sandali ang kuryente. Asan na? Ang tawag na magic. Okay na po ba niyan? O practice lang yon? Asan si Kuya? Check. What?
O, di ba reggae naman to? Check.
Nasa Kuya? Okay. Yeah! Come on! Diba? Yeah! Okay, pakilala natin ang ating banda.
We have Dino on vocals,
Kenneth, bassist,
June on rhythm,
and Neil on drum. You ready na? Please welcome.
here are the Grassroots.
say it is a capital affair. Oh no, freedom came to me one day. Started out in town, yeah. All of a sudden I saw Sheriff John Brown. Baby, I should be down. Why I shot that sheriff down. I said, if I'm guilty, I will pay. I got the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Texas got the better of me. That must be. Oh, we didn't go super well. One day the bottom will dry up. Metong aldo yung isa pa mamalaya. I shot the sheriff. Lord, I didn't shoot a deputy. Bye-bye, shot the sheriff.
Okay, salamat po ulit sa
Grassroots. There you go.
Grassroots.
Grassroots. And we would like to remind the remaining bands, 15 minutes lang.
Yes, only our... Sabi ko,
Diba ang taray? 15 minutes lang.
okay, allotted 15 minutes po.
Yeah.
Kasama ng preparation. Okay, once again.
Again, we'd like to thank our following sponsors.
Okay, Jam Zone for the warm reception during the
Jam
audition.
Zone.
Jam Zone.
San Miguel Beer Itaas po for the Beer Plaza.
Ano
Where
kaguluhan niya?
you wind up the evening with ice cold SMB products and providing us this grand stir.
Maxi! Bye-bye!
Asan mo?
Nigel.
Nigel, can you draw me? Di ba? Guwapo.
Sino ba ito? Ano pangalan mo?
Kaya, wala. Di kami kasama nagja-judge.
Ano?
Alvin.
Alvin! Pakis naman
Alvin.
dyan!
O, ito. Anong pangalan mo? Darwin po. Darwin? Hey, Darwin.
O,
Hello.
di ba nakakis ako?
Nagpakis ka?
Oo.
Ay? Babae, iguana? Bek, bek. Bek, bek.